Hello students, I am Bharti Shinde working as a lecturer in Praveen Patil Polytechnic College. In this video we will see how to draw top view and section of front view for the given right hand side view and front view. For this, first of all draw a horizontal line XY. Give name to this line as XY. Then draw a vertical line X1, Y1. Give name to this line as X1 and here Y1. Now take same distance from this intersection point. I will take 1 centimeter. You can take 2 also. I am taking 2 centimeter, that is 20 mm. Take same distance on vertical side. So 20 and here 20. Now draw horizontal and vertical lines from these points. Every time take parallel line because I am drawing it with the help of ruler. I am not using drafter. You can use drafter also. So like this I have drawn. Now side view and front view is given. We will draw as it is. So draw front view 16, 39 and 16. So measure distance here. So take 16, then 39, and from the here 16. And draw 16, 16 line like this. Then here total height is given as this is 23 and this is also 23, so total 46 plus this radius is as 25. So 25 and 46. So leave 25. So I will take 25 and from this 46 above distance. But when we see this front view, then this 25 plus 23 distance, so 48 distance, and then there is a horizontal line and then remaining 23%. So take 48 total on this line. And Draw a horizontal line. Then again 23. So here is the point and draw horizontal line. Now I will draw this line complete. You can rough as there is a small mistake while drawing the line. Now complete as a single line. Then there is a distance given from this line as this is 12 and then line. So from this measure 12 distance and draw horizontal line. Now complete all the portion same as for given front view. Like this. Now draw this line up to 48 distance and now join. Now this is remaining portion, that is portion on top having 39 length and 23 height. For this take projection of these lines upwards and now complete the rectangle. So in this way we have completed front view. You can rough the unnecessary lines like this, so the proper drawing will be visible like this. Now we will draw this dotted portion later after drawing this circle. Now let us move on to side view. For drawing side view, height is same as front view. Take projections of front view. Now here I will move you can take projection like this. Now we have taken projections. Now width for this side view is 40 and automatically the radius will be 20. So take width as 40 for side view. So center point will be having distance 20. I will draw a center line and measure distance 20 from bottom This will be a horizontal center line. Now we have got a center point. Then draw a circle having radius 20, as it is same. So I have drawn a circle having 20 radius. Now there is a circle having diameter 20, that is radius 10. So measure 10 on roller and draw a full circle. As my rounder is little bit loose, so I am not getting circle in full stroke. So in this way we have completed bottom portion. Now draw remaining portion. Every time take parallel line. And draw side view as it is. As this is a dotted portion, draw it as dotted. Now draw projection of this circle in front view. For this, take a parallel line to this line and I will draw a center line. Now draw projection of circle as dotted. Like this. We have to draw sectional side view. But before that, we will complete top view. Now, this whole portion is remaining. We will draw it in top view because it is hidden in side view. For this, draw projection of front view and side view in top view. First of all, measure 45-degree line. This is 45-degree. And take projection of side view on this line. Take projection of center line also. So like this I have taken all the projections of side view. Now take these projections horizontal in top view. Now draw projections of front view. And complete the top view. So in top view there will be a rectangle. We will complete first the rectangle. Then if we observe in front view, there is a hidden portion having diameter 16. So these projections are from top view. So here is a hole having diameter 16. So for this, take center line from side view, that is, this is the center line. Draw it as like this, and this is total 39 distance, so take its half, that is 19.5. And this will be a vertical center line. Now take diameter as 16, that is radius for drawing circle as 0.8 centimeter or 8 mm. So it will be a very small circle. So I have drawn the circle. Now take its projection in front view. So it will be a hidden or dotted. So in this way we have completed front view. Now for drawing top view, so this is given as 539, which is a circle, as diameter is given, which is a circle in top view. So we will draw like this. Now projection of this circle will appear in side view. This inner circle, that is a hole of having diameter 16. I will draw projection of center line upward. Now, in this portion, projection of this circle will appear. So, take projection of this circle in side view. And now draw its projections upward. Like this. Now, projection of this circle we have drawn dotted in front view. Now its projections will also appear in top view. As this circle will be visible in this portion and this portion, we will complete the top view in this portion and this portion. We will draw the projections. Like this, complete the top view. Now this portion will be dotted here, so its projections will be there as dotted lines. And now we have completed the top view. Now side view. Is a sectional. We have to draw sectional side view and take section along AB. So we have to take section along AB. So for this we will draw. We have already drawn the projection of this circle, and section AB will appear in only this portion. So only this portion. So see projections and draw the line. So like this. And now this is the hidden portion, but it is in section AB. So I will draw it as a dark line. So it will be a dark line, not a dotted line, and do the hatching. So in this way we have completed front view, side view and top view. Now we will give dimensions. As it is 16 and 16. This is 39 and 15. First of all, take projections and then draw the lines. Then there is no need to rough the unwanted portion. So this is 5, 16. And this is 5, 39. This distance is 12, so you can give here as 12. Now give distance in side view also. So 23 up to this line, then up to center again 23. Here also 23. Now give this radius and diameter of circle. So radius is at 20. I will give here 20 as radius. So R 20 and show this diameter. As 520. So in this way we have completed all the dimensions. Now we will give name. Sorry, here 16 and 16 is remaining, so 16 and 16. Now give name as front view, top view and side view. You can give name in this name in 8 mm distance, so it is already 8 mm, and write here as sectional RHS view. Sectional HS view. I will extend this line, and section is along AB, so mention here A and B. Here give name as front view, and we will give name of top view as top view. So in this way we have completed sectional side view, front view and top view.